Most of us here are interested in building our wealth. For today's video, we take a look at what makes rich individuals richer. This is not focused on how to make money, but rather how to fortify and leverage the money that you have to build up your wealth. If you're new here, welcome to the New Rich Academy channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more informational content. Before we move forward, we need to define what an asset is. Assets are those that generate you money. Meanwhile, those that cost you money are liabilities. It is very important to understand the difference between these two. The formula here is that the more assets that you have, generating income, the wealthier you become. Without further ado, here are 10 assets that are making people rich. Number 1 on our list is cash. Yes, cold hard cash sitting in a bank deposit can earn you interest. It is a straightforward concept. However, it is important to note that the interest rates offered by banks these days often fail to keep up with inflation. Nevertheless, cash remains a priority for the rich because it gives two significant advantages. First, it allows the rich to seize any opportunity that comes their way. Imagine encountering the deal of a lifetime but lacking the funds to capitalize on it. It becomes a powerful tool when utilized opportunistically, allowing the acquisition or buying of undervalued assets, such as real estate from forced sellers, struggling businesses facing temporary financial troubles, and discounted stocks in the market. This is precisely why the rich maintain cash reserves. Second, having a surplus of cash allows the rich to engage in high-return cash deals. Cash payments often attract better pricing, and lending money at high interest rates becomes a viable option as well. Number 2 is real estate. This asset is a game changer. Why? Because of two reasons. First, rental income. Imagine money flowing into your pockets every single month with minimal effort on your part. It is a passive income stream that can be incredibly rewarding. And with advancements of technology, you can leverage platforms for short-term rentals, increasing your income even further. However, short-term rentals require more active management compared to traditional long-term leases. Second is demand. As more people require homes and rental properties, the demand for real estate remains high. Its attractiveness as a valuable asset is further powered by the fact that multiple countries offer tax incentives for rental income or real estate earnings. When it comes to real estate assets, there are several options to consider where you can get rent. First, the residential buildings, where people live. Second, the office buildings where businesses operate. Third, the commercial buildings where companies utilize the space to sell products or services. And last, the land, which can be cultivated, developed, or even left for long-term appreciation. Each of these options has its own unique benefits and potential for wealth creation. Number 3 on our list is bonds. Let's break down the concept of bonds in a simplified manner. When governments or businesses require additional funds, they can issue bonds, which are then sold to interested investors. By purchasing these bonds, the investor receives regular payments from the government or business. Bonds typically have a specified duration, ranging from 1 month to as long as 30 years, and the bondholder receives regular payments. Then upon maturity, the principal amount is returned. They are considered safe investments since they are often backed by the government, but offer lower returns, averaging around 3% annually. Low risk results in low rewards as well. Number 4 is stocks. The stock market has long been synonymous with wealth creation, and it remains a valuable asset in today's digital age. Stocks are also known as equities or shares, and these represent ownership in a company. So you become a partial owner when you purchase their stocks and have the potential to benefit from the company's growth and profitability through the capital appreciation and dividends. By investing in established companies or emerging startups, individuals can harness the potential for exponential growth. The power of compounding returns, dividends, and capital appreciation can transform the initial investments into substantial money over time. Stocks offer an accessible and straightforward way to own a portion of a publicly traded business. For instance, if a company has issued 10 million shares and you own 1 million of them, you become a 10% owner in that business. This financial innovation allows the rich to own stocks in highly profitable companies with low entry barriers. Through diligent research, managing risk wisely, and maintaining a long-term perspective, the the stock market continues to serve as a proven vehicle for financial success. Number 5 on our list is mutual and index funds. While purchasing individual stocks allows you to own shares in a single company, mutual funds and index funds offer the advantage of investing in a diversified portfolio of multiple companies. By buying into the entire basket of companies, you benefit from the increased diversification, making it a safer investment approach. Statistically, index funds have been shown to be the best performing asset class. Attempting to select and manage individual stocks on your own can be challenging and is more likely to result in low yield performance compared to market benchmarks. Index funds should be a fundamental component of any long-term wealth-building portfolio. They provide broad market exposure and reduce the risk associated with trying to outperform the market independently. Number 6 is precious metals, such as gold, silver, coins, and bars. Those assets have served as a store of values of thousands of years, embodying the enduring trust and stability. Their excellent qualities make them highly sought-after assets, especially gold. Gold in particular possesses a high value density, meaning a small quantity can hold significant worth. This allows for convenient storage and transport, making it an appealing option for preserving wealth. Also, gold's inherent scarcity and timelessness contribute to its allure as a long-term asset. Similarly, silver holds a storied history of being used as a medium of exchange and store of value. Beyond their appeal and aesthetic purposes for jewelry, both gold and silver are easily recognizable and can be verified for authenticity, which makes them a reliable form of wealth preservation. The lasting legacy of precious metals as reliable stores of value is a testament to their intrinsic qualities as a valuable asset. Number 7 on our list is fine arts. These include paintings, sculptures, and other artistic creations, which have long been recognized as valuable assets. The beauty and uniqueness of these artworks make them highly sought after by collectors, investors, and enthusiasts. Fine art possesses the ability to appreciate in value over time, offering potential returns on investment. It serves as a portable asset that can be enjoyed aesthetically while also serving as a store of value. Also, the scarcity of renowned artworks and the prestige associated with owning pieces by esteemed artists contribute to their value as assets. Fine art can diversify investment portfolios. The cultural and historical significance of fine art adds more value, making it not just an investment but also a testament to human creativity and expression. This is why you see rich people dropping large amounts of money on art, because it's making them even richer. Number 8 is equipment. Literally anything that generates income or accelerates your money-making process is considered an asset. For instance, if you are a farmer, a tractor is an asset. Anything related to maintaining a farm or poultry is an asset. If you are a programmer, a laptop is an asset. Any technology equipment or instrument related to computer business is an asset. If you own a service laboratory, any instrument analysis and equipment is an asset. If you are an Uber driver, your car is an asset. The distinction between an asset and a liability depends on whether it directly contributes to your income generation. If your earnings rely on that equipment, it qualifies as an asset. Otherwise, purchasing them can seem as a liability. It's common for people to confuse the two, leading to financial mismanagement due to a lack of self-control. Number 9 on the list is intellectual property. This asset is highly versatile and can be further specified based on its intended application or focus area. In the digital era, the monetization of ideas in intellectual property has become increasingly accessible. People who create innovative products, develop software applications, write books, produce music, or create digital artwork can leverage their creations to generate significant wealth. Intellectual property offers an asset class that transcends traditional boundaries, empowering creators to accumulate wealth based on the value of their ideas. Intellectual property, including patents and trademarks, represents a highly valuable asset in the business world. Patents offer powerful protection for new inventions, certifying the inventor and describing the invention's functionality. This safeguard allows the creators to control and monetize their innovations by charging companies for commercial use. Meanwhile, trademarks protect symbols, words, or catchphrases associated with brands, highlighting the significance of logos and brand names. Beyond their branding role, trademarks offer more opportunities where owners can license their use for commercial purposes, receiving payment in return. Intellectual property extends to include diverse content forms such as books, songs, digital courses, and informational products. Information-based products have immense scalability, allowing creators to sell their work multiple times. This attribute makes selling information a potential avenue for generating wealth in the modern digital economy. Licensing agreements, royalties, sales, and online platforms provide platforms for creators to leverage their intellectual property and transform their creations into valuable assets. Number 10 is businesses. Businesses are valuable assets consisting of a unique blend of systems, people, networks, distribution channels, products, and markets. This provides opportunities for wealth creation and more financial success. For example, a mall or larger business acts as a hub, offering diverse products and services while fostering economic activity by giving people jobs and community engagement. The strength of a business lies in its people and the power of networking. Whether it's a local car wash with dedicated employees providing quality service or a network of strategically placed vending machines generating consistent income, businesses rely on the expertise, skills, and collaboration of individuals in the group. Also, franchises such as a McDonald's or other fast food chains leverage established systems and brand recognition, which then benefit from a supportive network for growth and financial success. Businesses play a vital role in driving economic growth, creating jobs while contributing to your prosperity, thus making them a valuable asset. And that's it for the 10 assets that are making people rich. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts, and thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.